In our previous two lectures, we talked about basics of HTML table and row span, col span properties. Today we will talk about how to modify table borders using CSS. Now this is the table you had published on your blog. You are a researcher. You are in an expedition for about 1 month in Amazon rainforest. Now this is the page of your blog. You want to modify this table. It has double borders, but we promised that we will make it a single border, and let us try to do that. And also we will talk about the table tag, ts tag, td tag, and the properties are as follows that we are going to talk about. These are border collapse, background color, border radius, border style, and border color. In order to add CSS, we had already talked in another lecture. I'll add the links and pop up. Inside the head tag, we need to add another tag, that is style tag. Inside the style tag, we can add the tags that we want to modify. For example, let us add the table tag. We want to collapse its border. For that, we will use border collapse property. Value would be collapse, save, reload. You see, border is now collapsed. Let's say we want to change the color of the border. For that, we will use border color. Let us make it green, save, reload. Let us make it red in order to see it properly. Reload. You see, because I changed the table border, only the table's outside border has been changed, but we want all borders to change. For that, we can use like this, TAs, which means headers, border color red, reload. You see, now only headers are red. These are headers, name, scientific name, special feature. Now also for the other rows, we can duplicate it and we rename it as td, reload. You see, now all borders are red, but we can write shorthand way. For that, we just add table, ts, td. That is all, because table has border color and also the others have border color red, same value. So remove. Now here ts, td, save, reload. You see, nothing changed. So this is the shortcut way to change the properties of multiple elements or multiple tags. Now let us talk about border. I have not although mentioned it. Let us change the property of border. Width equals maybe 2px, save, reload. You see, border width is now double, but we like 1. Reload. Let us make it green instead of red. Because you are in the Amazon rainforest. Now we also want to change border style. Currently the default style is solid. So if we add border style solid, because this is the default style, nothing changes if I reload. But if I change from solid to, you see, there are different values. If I make it dotted, now reload, you see this is now dotted, but I will change it to solid. Again reload. Then I want to change border color. dash color, and to make it, let's say, we have already done that, no need to do this again, sorry. Now because all these are modification of border, so we can use shorthand like this: border 1px solid green, and we can comment out this line or delete it. Now reload, result is the same. Okay, let us try to use collapse also here. Does it work? Reload. No, it does not work. So this experiment failed. So in case of border color width and style, it works. Now let us add a, but before that let us reload. Let us add some background color. So background color, let us add maybe light green. Save, reload. Now let us try to use border radius. So let us add BO border radius. Let's say maybe 15 pixel. Save, reload. Okay, so only this part has changed. Let us remove the border collapse. Save. So we have two borders. Reload. Now we can see it properly that all text table, this is table, the outside border is carved. Also the TDs here and table headers here, all are now carved. But if you want to also remove the border outside and just want to use only TAs and TD border, how to do that? For that, let us add TSTD, copy. Here we will maybe border radius add here and this comment out. Reload. Now we want to remove the outside border. Although it is not carved, our objective is not fulfilled yet. For that we can, if we comment it out, all border will be gone. Maybe you can see this. So we don't need border in table, we just need border in TS and TD. For that I will cut it and paste it here. And we don't need actually background color in table, we can give it here TS TD, but let us anyway check. Reload. Let us remove the background color. Let us remove this altogether. Reload. Maybe for table, border style, maybe hidden. Let us put it like that. You see, outside border is now gone. So here are some examples how to modify table borders and other properties related to border. And also we work with the background color. Hopefully you have got something beneficial. That is all for today. If you have any question or comment, please add in the comment section. Thank you.